Working at an industrial plant provides a unique opportunity to witness highly skilled professionals in action. One particular trade that has caught my attention is arc welding, also known as stick welding. Arc welding, or stick welding, is a method of joining two metal pieces together using an electric arc. The process involves creating an electrical circuit between the welding rod and the metal being welded, which produces an intense heat that melts the metal and allows the pieces to fuse together. Arc welding is a popular choice for industrial applications because it is relatively simple and versatile, allowing for welding in a variety of positions and on a range of materials. It is also important to prepare the base material before starting the welding process. This involves cleaning the surface of any dirt, rust, or other contaminants that can affect the quality of the weld. Once you have the right electrode and have prepared the base material, you can begin the welding process. This involves striking an arc with the electrode and moving it along the joint to create a molten puddle. The molten material solidifies as it cools, creating a strong welded joint. To successfully arc weld, it is important to select the right type of electrode for the job. Electrodes come in different materials and sizes, and each type is best suited for specific welding applications. It is important to follow safety protocols when arc welding, as the process involves high temperatures and bright light that can be harmful to the eyes and skin.